Welcome back to another video, guys. I did not expect to be making a video right now. I'm in my work truck, so I won't blur out anything that has to do with work in this. So I wasn't expecting to make a video. I've got a pretty bad surprise, I guess, but it's not good back at the house. You'll have to wait until later in the video to see that. And then the same day that I found out about that, while I was away on a work trip, my LBZ started giving me a bunch of trouble. Not sure what it is, so I was driving along, transmission shifted super hard, started throwing a bunch of codes. I have a TCM code, so I don't know what it is, obviously. Like, I got to get a scanner on it to figure out what's going on. And then it was acting like it was slipping, then I didn't have reverse, and I parked it, turned it off, turned it back on, put it in drive, went into drive, and then just started slipping like crazy. So valve body or TCM, I'm not sure what's going on. It's got 180,000 miles. There's no way the trans is bad. I mean, it's not even tuned very hard or anything. But I'm gonna go grab it on, like, we get these trucks at the trailers for work. So thankfully we got 24-foot goosenecks, and I'm just gonna throw the truck on that, and I'll let you guys, I'll film it when I get there. I think it'll drive on because I started it this morning, put it in gear, and it went in gear. So we'll see, but yeah, I'll catch you guys at the truck. Here goes nothing. Well, it's in gear. No issues as of right now. I mean, it kind of feels, yeah, it definitely feels weird. It's like, I don't know if it's torque converter or what, but it's reluctant to accelerate and then super happy to decelerate. Oh, let's see how this goes. Work truck. That wood deck sounded kind of funny. Well, it's on. So yeah, I'm just gonna strap it down and get heading home. This makes me really want a gooseneck hookup somehow. This is not my company. This is something we sell, so that's okay to have there. But yeah, so truck's on here. Got some straps. Gonna lift these gates. You can really see how much I need paint. Rockers now, actually they're still solid enough, but I got bubbles here, so. But yeah, anyway, that's the least of my worries right now. Hitting the rear approach here from the house. I'm gonna park on the street for now. I'm not gonna take the truck off the trailer because I really want to get it to the dealer to see what that TCM code is. I got a pretty good scanner that I might try, but I still don't think it's gonna quite do it for me. These are crazy little tiny streets for towing a deck over. But anyway, I'll park on the street here, and I'm gonna get out and show you guys kind of the nasty surprise I got at home here. I'm not sure what the town will say to me about this, but are you guys ready to see this nasty thing that happened? Oh man, that's a lot bigger than it looked in the pictures. Really good sized tree that fell and landed on old Blue here. This is my first time seeing it, so I've got to assess the damage. I don't think think the bedside got hit. This is a pretty big piece of wood here that landed on top of the roof. So far, so good. A bunch of garbage in the back of this thing. All right, so cab. The roof looks good so far. Oh, you know what? I do have a little dent right here. That might be a little, I can pull that out though. So I didn't expect, you can see it here, that branch right there to break. It looked pretty healthy before. I kind of knew, hold on, let me turn my exposure up here. There we go. So I expected, I wanted to get rid of this one that's hanging right here, right there. It's kind of hard to see. I wanted to get rid of that, so that's gone now, obviously. But that super tall one right there, I think is this one. Missed my wife's car, thankfully, because that would have been a huge bummer. I just got this. But this branch fell from a long ways up. That's what I'm most scared about on this. I'm gonna get my pole saw real quick and set up my tripod, and I'll just start cutting this out instead of trying to pull it off. And I'll show you guys what I find underneath. So far, I mean, there's no broken glass. The roof looked okay. Windshield looks okay. So I'm gonna pull this off and see what the damage looks like, if there's any. And it looks like I'll be renting a chipper. But yeah, I can't even see the side of the truck, so. I don't know, doesn't look terrible so far. We'll see. No extra damage. Bedside looks, yeah, bedside looks pretty decent. I mean, look at that. There's actually a lot of tree there. I'll get a better video in the morning. But it's a lot in here. This bank used to be all open. So it used to be a pretty big tree right there, but this is from the top side of my house. Truck's down there, but this is what fell and took out the branch that hit my truck. All right, guys, so here we are out in the daylight. Kind of looking it over again. I don't see any more damage. And that one dent in the roof. I mean, even the hood doesn't have any damage, which is kind of impressive. We gotta get a chipper over here and try and take care of all this. But yeah, so you can see it's actually a pretty decent amount of stuff that came down. Thankfully the truck's good. But this whole branch right here was up there, came down here, and then this branch I think is some of what hit my truck. So the other news is Scout's finally, let me get my hand out of the shot here. Scout is finally going off to bodywork. So I need to put the wheel back on it, close the hood, pull it out. Do a couple small things I want to do while it's outside, but obviously I got to take care of this tree situation and try and get this thing to the body this week. Probably gonna rent a U-Haul trailer or something because of the Duramax and the U-Haul truck. But we're gonna make it happen. So yeah, super stoked for this. Finally going to go get this body work done on this thing. It runs and it drives, no problem. Well, I say no problem. It goes into drive and goes into reverse, no problem. So I'm just gonna back it off, park out on the street for now. Check out all the fluids. I got some filters ordered. I don't think that's gonna fix any issues, but I kind of want to drive it around while I have this trailer here so I can at least rescue myself if it breaks down. We'll see. But anyway, so I'm just gonna back that off there. I'm gonna clear this up a little bit so I can get the Scout out of there and out to here so I can load it onto a trailer and bring it over to body. All right, guys, so I know we all make mistakes, but I feel pretty dumb about this one. So I've been waiting for my carb rebuild kit to come in so I could rebuild the carb on this and just get it running so we can drive it onto a trailer. And it was in the bottom of this whole time. I thought it was just a wiring harness because it was like the box with the wiring harness company. But this was buried in the bottom of it. I should have checked. So I'm gonna try and rebuild this carb real quick while Chris is on his way to pick up the Scout. So it'll probably take him a while to get here, so hopefully I have enough time to do this real quick. Alright guys, so got it apart. The seals are definitely gone. That's pretty brittle. I'm not gonna mess with that. It's obviously dirty. Super dirty, so. Just need to clean this up, clean these jets out. See if we can get this thing to come back to life. Alright guys, tripod over. So the carb is in. I'm just trying to see right now. If this is pumping any gas or not. Sorry, sometimes I don't finish my sentence that I was about to say. I don't even know if I did everything right on this carb, but let's try to start it actually and see what happens. So something's not working right here, but I think it's gonna fire right now. So somewhere with my linkage right here, that's pumping fuel. Why is that not working? There it goes. It actually ran really good and drove up on that trailer really nice. I'll be getting to the shop when he's working on it to get some footage of him doing the work on it, but he's also gonna send me like update pictures and stuff, so pretty stoked. But cool, that's it for this video. I gotta clean up a lot of stuff out here and kind of rearrange some driveway stuff so we can get back to being able to park in my driveway.